I'm cleaning my throttle body, and I got to pull this off right here. This needs to be pulled off so I can clean it. I got two bolts right here, one on this side and one on this side. It's 8mm. So I'm gonna have to put the camera down while I do this. Okay, I've loosened both of these bolts. The next step is to remove this clip right here. Okay, I removed it. My washer seems to be in pretty good condition, so I just, this part right here, I just leave it like it is. Okay, that looks pretty good. This thing is filthy, so I'm gonna have to clean it out. So, I got some carburetor cleaner that I can use, and this will clean it up pretty good. So I can just spray down in there like that. Clean it up real good. I used a rag to clean the inside of it. It's pretty good, so maybe that'll help it. It's been idling kind of rough, so maybe that'll help it out some. Okay, now I've done cleaned the inside of this out with some carburetor cleaner, so I'm going to put it back on here and see if that's going to do any good. It's a good idea when you're putting these bolts back in here to put them on finger tight, because the housing right here is made out of aluminum and you can easily strip them out. Okay, I've done tightened those bolts down, so all I have to do is now is put this clip back on here. Okay, so if this is not the problem, I have to probably buy a new one if this still is idling kind of rough. So start it up and see what it's going to do. Another thing I want to do is check my air filter, make sure nothing's clogged up in there. Doesn't look like anything clogged up in there. My map sensor looks pretty good. Okay, my air filter looks okay. A little dirty, but it's okay. So I'll just put that back in there. I guess I started up. It seems like it's running better. But if it starts acting rough again, I just have to put a new part on there.